Today we're going to talk about something very important: how you begin your day. Think for a moment. What is the very first thing you put into your body after a long night's rest? You see, during sleep, your body is busy repairing, restoring, and healing. By morning, your cells are ready, almost like little workers standing by, waiting for you to give them fuel for the day. And what you choose in that first meal can either set you up for energy and focus, or leave you sluggish and craving more food just a few hours later. Now here's the truth most people don't realize. Many breakfasts around the world are heavy on sugar and refined carbohydrates. Think about the sweet cereals, the white toast with jam, or even the pastries and sweetened coffee drinks. Yes, they taste nice, but what happens next? Your blood sugar rises quickly, giving you that short burst of energy, only to crash soon after. That's why by mid-morning, so many people feel tired, irritable, or desperately looking for another snack. But here's the good news. When we start our mornings with protein, everything changes. Protein is the body's building block. It feeds your muscles, supports your brain, balances your hormones, and even keeps your blood sugar steady. Unlike sugar, protein doesn't give you a roller coaster of energy. It gives you stable fuel, helping you stay alert, calm, and satisfied right up to lunchtime. In fact, research shows that people who eat a protein-rich breakfast have fewer cravings later in the day. They make better food choices, and they often feel sharper in their work or studies. It's like giving your body a solid foundation for the whole day ahead. And the best part? A protein-rich breakfast doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't require fancy ingredients or hours in the kitchen. In today's video, I'll share with you 6 simple, delicious, and protein-packed breakfasts that you can easily enjoy at home. Each one is designed to fuel your body, keep your mind clear, and start your day with strength and vitality. So, let's dive in together and discover the breakfasts that truly nourish you from the inside out. Let's begin with something many of us are already familiar with: the eggs. It might look simple, but an egg is truly a nutritional treasure. Inside that small shell, you'll find complete protein, all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs but cannot make on its own. That's why eggs are often called nature's perfect food. When you eat eggs for breakfast, you are feeding your muscles, your hormones, and even your brain. The protein helps to repair tissues, build strength, and keep you full for hours. And here's something many people find surprising. Eggs are one of the best sources of a nutrient called choline, which plays a vital role in memory, concentration, and nervous system health. That means eggs don't just fill your belly, they also sharpen your mind for the day ahead. Now, there has been a lot of fear around eggs and cholesterol. People were once told to limit them, but science has shifted. For most healthy individuals, eggs actually help balance cholesterol, raising the good HDL and supporting heart health. Unless your doctor has specifically restricted them, eggs can be a wholesome and safe choice. And the beauty of eggs is in their versatility. If you're busy, 2 boiled eggs are quick, portable, and easy to prepare. If you have more time, scrambled eggs with a handful of spinach and mushrooms create a beautiful, nourishing meal. Or perhaps a vegetable omelet with tomatoes, onions, and herbs. So, whether you're a student preparing for exams, a parent rushing off to work, or someone simply looking to stay energized, eggs offer a reliable, nutrient-dense start. Just 2 eggs in the morning give you around 12 grams of protein, which is often enough to carry you calmly and steadily right through to lunch. Now let's turn to something cool, creamy, and refreshing: Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained to remove much of the liquid whey. This makes it thicker, creamier, and far richer in protein. In fact, 1 cup of Greek yogurt can give you around 10 grams of protein, and that's before you even add toppings. But protein is only part of the story. Greek yogurt is also full of probiotics, the friendly bacteria that live in our gut and keep our digestion healthy. A balanced gut doesn't just mean less bloating or indigestion. Research now shows it affects our immunity, mood, and even our ability to focus. So when you enjoy Greek yogurt in the morning, you're not just feeding yourself, you're feeding the trillions of helpful microbes that protect and heal you from within. Now, on its own, yogurt is good, but when you begin to add thoughtful toppings, it becomes a truly balanced meal. A handful of almonds or walnuts brings in healthy fats that protect the heart and slow down digestion so your energy lasts longer. Fresh berries like blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries provide natural sweetness, antioxidants, and fiber. These antioxidants are like little bodyguards that protect your cells from damage and inflammation. The result is a breakfast that is light yet deeply nourishing. It supports your bones with calcium, your gut with probiotics, your energy with protein, and your long-term health with antioxidants. And perhaps the best part, it's quick and convenient. If you're rushing to work or school, you can prepare it in just 2 minutes and even take it with you in a small jar. So for those who don't enjoy heavy meals in the morning but still want something that energizes and satisfies, Greek yogurt with nuts and berries is a delightful, protein-rich choice. It tastes like a treat, but it works in your body like true medicine. That brings us to one of the most underrated protein foods for breakfast: cottage cheese. Many people overlook it, perhaps thinking it's plain or old-fashioned. But don't let its simple appearance fool you. Cottage cheese is a powerhouse, especially when it comes to protein. Just 1 cup contains more than 20 grams of protein, nearly twice that of Greek yogurt, and almost as much as 3 eggs combined. What makes cottage cheese so special is the type of protein it provides: casein protein. Unlike other proteins that digest quickly, casein is slowly absorbed by the body. This means it keeps you satisfied for longer and provides a steady release of energy over several hours. It's the perfect breakfast for people who want to avoid mid-morning hunger and maintain focus throughout their day. And cottage cheese is incredibly versatile. If you enjoy sweeter flavors in the morning, you can pair it with pineapple chunks, peaches, or fresh berries. The natural fruit sugars combine beautifully with the creamy, slightly tangy taste of the cheese, creating a refreshing meal. On the other hand, if you prefer something savory, you can mix it with chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, herbs like parsley or chives, and even a drizzle of olive oil. This savory version almost feels like a light salad, but with the protein to keep you strong. Beyond protein, cottage cheese is rich in calcium for your bones, B vitamins for energy production, and minerals like magnesium that calm the nervous system. It's especially good for people who are trying to build or maintain muscle, manage their weight. Now let's talk about a breakfast that is loved around the world: oatmeal. Warm, comforting, and rich in fiber, oats are famous for supporting heart health and improving digestion. But on their own, oats are actually quite low in protein. This is why many people feel hungry again just an hour or two after eating a plain bowl of porridge. The secret is to give your oatmeal a protein boost. There are several ways to do this. Instead of cooking oats with water, prepare them in milk. This simple swap adds both protein and calcium. Once cooked, stir in a spoonful of peanut butter or almond butter. Not only does it make the oats creamy and delicious, but it also adds protein and healthy fats that keep you full for longer. Seeds like chia, flax, or hemp are also excellent additions, providing protein, fiber, and essential fatty acids. Some people like to mix in a scoop of protein powder for an even greater boost, turning their oatmeal into a powerhouse meal with over 20 grams of protein. To balance the flavors, you can add sliced banana, berries, or a drizzle of honey. This way, your oats become more than just carbohydrates. They transform into a balanced, high-protein breakfast that fuels both your body and brain. The science behind it is clear. Combining slow-release carbohydrates with protein prevents blood sugar spikes and gives you lasting energy. You avoid the mid-morning crash, and instead you feel steady, satisfied, and ready to focus on your tasks. Oatmeal doesn't have to be a light breakfast. With just a few thoughtful additions, it becomes one of the most comforting and protein-rich ways to start your day. And the last one. Let's celebrate the plant-based options because not everyone wants to rely on animal protein. 2 excellent choices for a protein-rich vegan breakfast are tofu and chickpeas. A tofu scramble is a wonderful alternative to scrambled eggs. Half a block of tofu can give you 20 grams of protein, along with calcium and iron, both of which are essential for energy and bone health. Chickpeas are another versatile option. You can mash them with avocado and a squeeze of lemon to create a creamy spread for whole grain toast. This gives you protein, healthy fats, and fiber in a simple, filling meal. Or if you like a warm breakfast, sauté chickpeas with tomatoes, garlic, and herbs to make a savory protein bowl. Plant proteins like these digest slowly, keeping you full, while also offering unique nutrients such as magnesium and folate that support nerve function, energy production, and heart health. And let's not forget, plant-based meals are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which help reduce inflammation and support long-term wellness. So whether you're fully vegan, reducing animal products, or just want variety, a plant-based protein scramble is a fantastic way to start the day. It proves that you don't need eggs or dairy to enjoy a protein-packed breakfast. Plants provide everything you need to feel strong and energized. And that's it, my friends. 6 wonderful ways to start your day with the strength and energy that protein provides. Remember, breakfast sets the tone for the hours ahead, so give your body something truly nourishing. I encourage you to try just one of these ideas tomorrow morning and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share your favorite breakfast in the comments below, and subscribe for more health tips and simple, practical ways to care for your body every day. Until next time, take good care of yourself, and may your mornings always begin with nourishment and joy.